Hey my Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my summer skin hydration essentials. Whether you're hitting the beach, going on a road trip, or just enjoying the sunshine, these products will keep your skin glowing and hydrated all summer long. First up, I always start with a boost of hydration. I love using a hydrated serum. Innisfree green tea seed hyaluronic serum is like a tall glass of water for my skin. This is packed with jeju green tea and hyaluronic acid. It's super hydrating and leaves my skin feeling refreshed and dewy. It adds an extra boost of moisture to my skincare routine, especially during dry and hot days. Next, I love using a lightweight gel moisturizer. I find Neutrogena Hydra Boost Water Gel to be perfect for summer because it's super hydrating without feeling heavy on the skin. It is like a burst of freshness for my skin. It's super lightweight and absorbs quickly, giving my skin a hydrated, dewy glow without feeling greasy. Collagen is important during summers as increased sun exposure can accelerate collagen breakdown, leading to premature aging and sun damage. Using collagen products helps replenish lost collagen, maintain skin elasticity, and prevent wrinkles and fine lines caused by UV radiation, ensuring healthy and youthful looking skin despite the harsh summer conditions. Topical skincare involves directly applying products to the face to target specific issues like acne, dryness, or aging by penetrating the skin's outer layer. Products include serums, creams, and masks. On the other hand, oral supplements claim to improve skin health from within, including vitamins, minerals, collagen supplements, and herbal extracts. Collagen supplements replenish lost collagen in the body, reducing signs of aging and enhancing skin's radiance. In the sea of collagen supplements, I recommend NeuHerbs Skin Glow Collagen. This formula provides marine collagen peptides and glucosamine to replenish lost collagen. It contains a NeuBoost Blend with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, E, and biotin to boost natural collagen production and repair skin damage. It manages early signs of aging like wrinkles and dullness, making the skin plump, glowing, and radiant from within. NeuHerbs is trusted by over 2.5 million happy customers, offering free consultation and support. Try it today for visible results. Everything will be listed in the description box. Next, I like to give my skin a little pick-me-up with Hydrating Facial Mist. Smashbox Revitalized Primer Essence is like a magic potion. It has a black rose extract and silk screen micropearls, which gives your skin a gorgeous lit from within glow. It preps my skin perfectly for makeup while also nourishing and revitalizing it. I also carry it with me when I'm traveling and just spray it all over my face, and it just freshens up my face instantly. And of course, after a long day in the sun, there's nothing better than a sheet mask to give my skin some extra love. Garnier Hydra Balm Serum Mask is like a quick spa session for my face. It's infused with hydrating serum. It's a super convenient way to give my skin an instant boost of moisture. I just pop it on, relax for a few minutes, and enjoy refreshed, glowing skin. It's just perfect for a pampering session anytime, anywhere. After a tiring day, I love applying it when I'm done editing my video and it's exporting. I really enjoy these 15 minutes. And of course, I never leave the house without sunscreen. The Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Sunscreen SPF 50 plus is lightweight and non-greasy. It's got a runny consistency, which I love. It just blends so easily with no white cast. Recently, I traveled to Thailand and it was 45 degrees there, and this sunscreen saved me from getting tan, trust me. It's so important to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays, especially in the summer. And don't forget about your lips. I always carry a hydrating lip balm with me to keep my lips moisturized and protected from the sun. I love using this Sugar Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm. This has vitamin E, jojoba oil, shea butter, and SPF. It's always good to have a lip balm which has SPF. And there you have it, guys, my summer skin hydration essentials. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any favorite summer skincare product. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.